Dear students, now let us start a new lesson, quadratic equations. In this video, you are going to learn about what are quadratic equations. Any equation of the form p of x is equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is a quadratic equation. Equation should involve equality sign. Examples for quadratic equations are 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Here look at the power of the variable. In power of the variables, highest power of the variable is 2. So, this is a polynomial of degree 2. Highest power of the variable is called degree. 4x minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation because highest power of the variable is 2. Now, x minus x square plus 300 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equations. Here highest power of the variable is 2. So, these are all quadratic equation. So, any equation of the form p of x is equal to 0, where p of x is a polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. When we write the terms of p of x in descending order of their degrees, then we get the standard form of the equation. When the terms of equations written in descending order of their degrees, then we get standard form of the equation. Now, see here 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Here terms are arranged in the descending order of their degrees. So, this is the standard form of quadratic equation. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. It is already in the standard form. It is in the standard form. Now, standard form of 4x minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to 0 is, here term with degree 1 is written first, then term with degree 2, then term with degree 0. So, you have to write in descending order of their degrees. So, minus 3x square plus 4x, then plus 2, degree 2, degree 1 and degree 0. Now, standard form of x minus x square plus 300 is equal to 0 is minus x square plus x, then plus 300 is equal to 0. Power 2, power 1, then constant term. So, x minus x square plus x plus 300 is equal to 0. Now, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 is called the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. So, a quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers, a not equal to 0. Now, let us see some examples for quadratic equation. X minus 3x square plus 2 is equal to 0. Standard form is minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now compare this equation with the general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now write the value of a. Write the value of a in the given equation. Value of a is minus 3. Value of b, that is coefficient of x, is 1. Value of c, that is constant term, is 2. So value of a is minus 3. Value of b is 1. Value of c is 2. Now take another equation. X minus x square is equal to 0 is an quadratic equation. Now write in the standard form, that is minus x square should be written first, then plus x is equal to 0. Now compare with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now write the coefficient of x square, that is the value of a. Coefficient of x square is minus 1. Coefficient of x is b. Coefficient of x in the equation is 1. And here we do not have constant term. So value of c is 0. Value of c is 0. Now take another equation. X square plus 1 is equal to 0. Standard form is, it is already in the standard form, power with degree 2, then constant term, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Compare with the general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Here term with x is not there, so value of b is 0. Term with x is not there in the given equation, so value of b is 0, and constant term is 1. Value of c is equal to 1. This is about quadratic equation, its standard form and value of variables, value of coefficients a, b and c. Now let us learn about to represent the following situations in the standard form of quadratic equations. We come across many situations in our daily life which can be solved by converting into the form of quadratic equations. Let us see few examples. See here, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find how many marbles they had to start with. Now we don't know the number of marbles with John and Jivanti. Together they have 45 marbles. So let the number of marbles with John is equal to x, and we don't know the number of marbles with Jivanti also. So let the number of marbles with Jivanti is equal to y. Number of marbles with Jivanti is equal to y. Now it is given that together they have 45 marbles. So x plus y is equal to 45. So the equation is x plus y is equal to 45. Now both of them lost 5 marbles each. In the beginning they had x marbles with John and y marbles with Jivanti. Now John and Jivanti, both of them lost 5 marbles each. So now the number of marbles with John is x minus 5, number of marbles with Jivanti is y minus 5, and it is given that product of the numbers they have now, the number of marbles they have now is x minus 5 and y minus 5, their product is 124. So x minus 5 into y minus 5 is equal to 124. Now from the first equation we can write y is equal to 45 minus x, or you can write x is equal to 45 minus y. Now substitute in the second equation. In the place of y we have to write 45 minus x. So x minus 5 into 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to 124. So x minus 5 into 45 minus 5 is 40 minus x is equal to 124. Now x into 40 is 40x, x into minus x is minus x square, minus 5 into 40 is minus 200, minus 5 into minus x is plus 5x is equal to 124. Now bring all the terms to the left hand side and simplify the equation. 40x plus 5x are like terms, so that becomes 45x minus x square minus 200 minus 124 is equal to 0. So 45x minus x square minus 324 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. Now we have to rearrange the terms to get the standard form, that is minus x square plus 45x minus 324 is equal to 0. We can keep it like this only, or we can change the sign of the first term. To change the sign we have to change the sign of all the terms. Minus x square becomes plus x square, plus 45x becomes minus 45x, minus 324 becomes plus 324 is equal to 0. So x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Now let us see one more example which can be solved by converting into the form of quadratic equation. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. We would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day. Now to solve this statement problem, we have to convert this into quadratic equation form. Now see here, the cost of production of one toy, each toy means one toy, was 55 minus the number of toys. So we have to take the number of toys is equal to x. Let the number of toys produced in a day, number of toys produced in one day is equal to x. Then cost of production of one toy. The cost of production of one toy, it is given that cost of production of one toy is equal to 55 minus the number of toys, that is 55 minus x. Now, the total cost of production is rupees 750. Total cost of production is rupees 750. Total cost of production is equal to rupees 750. Total cost of production means the number of toys produced into the cost of one toy. So, total cost of production formula is number of toys into cost of one toy. It is given that it is equal to 750. So, x into 55 minus x is equal to 750. Now, simplify the equation. X into 55 is 55x minus x into x is x square is equal to 750. Now, write in the standard form minus x square plus 55x is equal to 750, and take 750 to the left hand side, that becomes minus 750. So, minus x square plus 55x minus 750 is equal to 0 is the standard form. If you want, you can change the sign, because the first term itself is the negative term. If you want to change the sign of all the terms, that is x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. Now, you have to check whether the following given equations are quadratic equations or not. Now, the first equation is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. It looks like a quadratic equation because here power it is having is 2, but without simplifying this we cannot say whether it is a quadratic equation or not. To say whether it is a quadratic equation or not, we have to write this in the standard form. Now, we have to simplify x minus 2 whole square. You know the formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So, x minus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 2 square minus 2 into x. So, x square plus 4 minus 4x is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So, x minus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. Now, bring all the terms to the left hand side, that is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 1 minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 2x is minus 6x plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 is plus 8. This is a quadratic equation. It is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. It is an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it is quadratic equation. Now, see one more example. X into x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now, multiply x and x plus 1. X into x is x square plus 1x plus 8 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. Here we can apply the identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. X plus 2 into x minus 2, it is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to x square minus 2 square. So, x square minus 4. Now, it looks like a quadratic equation, but let us simplify further. That is x square plus 1x plus 8 minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus x square is 0. So, 1x plus 12 is equal to 0. It is the standard form of the equation, but this is equation of degree 1. So, it is not a quadratic equation. This equation is of degree 1, therefore, it is not quadratic equation. Let us see one more. Look at this example. This equation looks like quadratic equation in the first step, but it is not a quadratic equation. Now, take one more example. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube minus 4. It looks like a cubic equation, but let us simplify to confirm it. We have the formula a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So, x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2 into x plus 2. So, x plus 2 whole cube, we can expand it like x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x into 2, that is 6x into x plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. So, x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x is equal to x cube minus 4. If we take x cube minus 4 to the left hand side, that becomes minus x cube plus 4. So, plus x cube minus x cube cancels out, 6x square, remaining term 6x square, then plus 12x plus 12 is equal to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. This equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We can simplify this further because 6, 12 and 12, all the terms are divisible by 6. So, divide by 6, that becomes x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. See here, it was looking like a cubic equation, but it is not a cubic equation, it is a quadratic equation. So, we have to simplify to check whether it is quadratic equation or not.